In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a page number in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily. If you've opened a document and you see a page number in the footer that you no longer want, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps to delete it without making unnecessary changes to the rest of your document. This is a simple fix, but it can be confusing if you're new to LibreOffice Writer, so I'll keep it clear and beginner friendly. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it loads, open the existing document that contains the page number you want to remove. You can do this by going to File, then Open, and selecting the document from your folders. After your document is open, scroll down to the bottom of the page where the footer is located. In many documents, the page number is placed inside the footer area, so that is the first place you want to check. Take your cursor and click directly on the page number itself. When you click it, you should see that the page number becomes selected or highlighted. This tells you that you are editing that specific element. Once the page number is selected, simply press Delete on your keyboard. LibreOffice Writer will remove that page number from the footer. If the number appears on multiple pages because it was inserted as part of a footer or page style, you may need to repeat the process or adjust the footer settings depending on how the document was formatted. But in most cases, clicking the page number and pressing Delete is all it takes. After deleting the number, scroll through a few pages to make sure the change looks correct and that the footer is now the way you want it. If you don't want any page numbers at all, this method will help you remove them from the document area where they appear. And that's it. You've successfully removed the page number in LibreOffice Writer. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.